Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best pool cleaning tablets is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a sparkling, inviting small pool, ensuring that every dip is a refreshing escape rather than a chore, and this review will guide you through selecting the perfect solution to keep your water crystal clear and free from unwanted contaminants, saving you time and effort. Number 5. U.S. Pool Supply Floating Chlorine Dispenser. Keep your pool or spa sparkling clean with this essential floating dispenser. It's designed for easy and effective chemical distribution. This 5-inch diameter floater features a collapsible tank that holds up to 5 1-inch chlorine or bromine tablets. It's compact yet highly functional. Achieve perfectly balanced water chemistry thanks to the adjustable control ring. This ensures a steady and consistent release of sanitizing agents. Ensure your pool or spa is always ready for enjoyment. It effectively combats contaminants, providing a safe and clean swimming environment. Maintaining optimal water quality has never been easier. This dispenser is the ideal solution for hassle-free pool and spa care. What we like. This dispenser features a unique collapsible design for easy storage. Its adjustable control ring ensures balanced chemical delivery, keeping your water consistently clean. If you're looking for a compact and efficient way to maintain your small pool or spa, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a bit expensive, but it works well for my purpose. I place one small bromine tablet in it and float it in my toilet tank. Immediately after a couple of days I could tell it was working. Now, after 1 month of use, the tank is 100% free of mold. I never even had to scrub it. In this dispenser, which floats at the top of the tank, is easy to use and refill with the tablet. It works fine. Nothing elaborate about it. Drop in chlorine tab. Throw into spa. Repeat. Top screws off to accept the chlorine tab. In the water the dispenser immediately goes to the proper orientation. Good quality, works perfectly. Number 4. Intex 28002E Pool Cleaning Maintenance Kit. Keep your swimming environment pristine and safe with this essential cleaning kit. It includes everything you need for a sparkling pool. The vacuum head features a one-piece cleaning design and attaches to your garden hose. Its reusable debris bag collects unwanted waste efficiently. Easily remove floating debris from your pool's surface with the included skimmer. Its durable mesh net ensures a thorough clean every time. The 94-inch telescoping aluminum pole provides excellent reach for cleaning. It's compatible with both the vacuum and skimmer for versatile use. This kit is perfect for above-ground pools up to 16 feet in diameter. Enjoy a cleaner pool with minimal effort. This comprehensive set offers a simple and effective way to maintain your pool. Get ready for a refreshing swim anytime. What we like. This is a complete cleaning kit designed for above-ground pools. It includes a vacuum with a debris bag, a surface skimmer, and a telescoping pole for easy reach. If you need a comprehensive solution to manually clean your pool, especially if you have an Intex above-ground pool, this kit has you covered. What people say. This is perfect for small inflatable pools or hot tubs. The vacuum worked okay, and the skimmer and other attachments came on and off easily. The length adjustment was nice, and skimmer did its job. This vacuum works great. It works even better than the one that came with my pool. This one never loses suction, and unless you have a great amount of debris in your pool you don't have to clean the bag out but maybe once. It will pick up leaves and pine needles as well as anything else that size or smaller. It is super easy to put together and use. Bought this product for cleaning a 10 feet x 30 inches. Blow-up pool. It far exceeded my expectations. Very much worth the $20 to not have to empty and refill every time there's dirt on the bottom. I was amazed at the cleaning job it did. Number 3. XYWQ Turtle Chlorine Floater. Add a touch of fun to your pool with this adorable turtle-shaped floater. It not only dispenses chlorine but also serves as a cute decoration. Crafted from durable PP and ABS plastic, this dispenser is designed to withstand harsh sunlight without fading or rupturing. Enjoy years of reliable use. It conveniently holds up to 4 1-inch or 3-inch chlorine or bromine tablets. This ensures a steady supply for your pool or hot tub. Easily control the release rate with a simple twist of the ring. This allows you to maintain the perfect chlorine level in your water. When not in use, it cleverly folds down on itself. This makes for convenient storage and saves valuable space. What we like. Add a touch of fun to your pool maintenance with this adorable turtle-shaped dispenser. Made from durable materials, it's built to last and can accommodate both 1-inch and 3-inch tablets. If you want a dispenser that's both functional and adds a decorative element to your pool, especially for smaller pools or hot tubs, this is the one. What people say. It keeps chlorine levels steady and fits both 1 and 3 tablets easily. Durable, easy to refill, and adds a whimsical touch that makes pool time more memorable. It fits 3-inch and has lasted well through the summer. Color hasn't faded and there aren't any defects. The top is easy to get off and on. This chlorine floater is amazing, easy to use, the top opens easily, and closes securely. It will hold several 3-inch tablets. The vents on the bottom are adjustable for chlorine dilution. Number 2. U.S. Pool Supply Large Floating Chlorine Dispenser with Thermometer. Keep your pool sparkling clean with this large floating chemical dispenser. It's designed for easy use and effective sanitation. This heavy-duty dispenser features a built-in thermometer, allowing you to monitor water temperature from 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure optimal conditions for your pool or spa. It holds up to 3 pounds of chlorine or bromine tablets, ensuring long-lasting sanitation. The secure locking cap prevents accidental spills. Easily control the release of chemicals with the adjustable ring. This ensures balanced sanitation tailored to your pool's needs. Perfect for maintaining cleanliness and eliminating contaminants and odors in your pool, spa, or hot tub. Enjoy a refreshing and safe swimming experience. Trust in a brand committed to your satisfaction. We ensure a hassle-free experience with our reliable pool maintenance solutions. What we like. This dispenser offers a convenient 2-in-1 function, dispensing chemicals while also monitoring your water temperature with its built-in thermometer. It holds a good amount of 3-inch tablets and features a secure locking cap. If you appreciate having a quick temperature check along with your pool's chlorination, this is an excellent option for maintaining your pool or spa. What people say. The bottom of the dispenser holds 3 chlorine tablets. The dispenser has slits that you can turn to allow more or less of the amount of chlorine that you need. The thermometer on top shows the water temperature. That's actually pretty handy when checking the pool. The lid on this one is easy to open and close quickly. The unit stays floating for plenty of time. Number 1. U.S. Pool Supply Deluxe Chlorine Floater Dispenser. Keep your pool sparkling clean with this Deluxe Chlorine Dispenser. It's designed for easy use and effective sanitation. This large capacity dispenser holds multiple chlorine or bromine tablets, ensuring long-lasting treatment. The pop-up indicator lets you know when it's time for a refill. Achieve balanced water chemistry with the adjustable flow control ring. It ensures a consistent and controlled release of sanitizer. Monitor your pool's temperature with dual thermometers on each side, accurately measuring up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps you maintain the ideal swimming conditions. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust construction. It's built to last and comes with a full 1-year warranty for your satisfaction. What we like. Never guess when to refill again with the pop-up tablet indicator on this dispenser. It also features dual thermometers for accurate temperature readings and a large capacity for various tablet sizes. If you want a high-capacity, easy-to-monitor chlorinator with the added benefit of dual temperature gauges, this deluxe model is ideal for larger pools or frequent use. What people say. The bottom of the dispenser holds 3 chlorine tablets. The dispenser has slits that you can turn to allow more or less of the amount of chlorine that you need. The thermometer on top shows the water temperature. That's actually pretty handy when checking the pool. The lid on this one is easy to open and close quickly. The unit stays floating for plenty of time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.